Hi, this is another unboxing video, and I think it's my very last unboxing for June, and it is my Feel Unique Pick and Mix samples. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, and all my samples are inside here. I won't open it up and show you because they'll fall out, but I'll just put them down to the side. So I'll give you a quick lowdown about what Feel Unique is. It's not a subscription, it's up to you if you want to buy or not, obviously. You need to sign up to the Feel Unique website with your email address so that you can have access to the actual website. So to click on the samples, you need to click on, I think it is actually samples in the bar near the top of the page. You click on that and that'll bring you up a page and it'll show you the different samples that Feel Unique do. You just click on Pick and Mix, and this is what this is called. So the box costs £3.95, and that is included your postage and packaging. So for 5 samples, it's quite good. Also, you get to redeem your £3.95 off a future purchase from Feel Unique. It can't be towards another sample box, but it can be used for any other item. Feel Unique is massive. They sell absolutely everything, all beauty related, makeup, hair care, you name it, it's there. So there's always something that I could buy, really, but you can actually top them up, so you can use 2, maybe 3 months worth of £3.95s, which is really good, isn't it, to get a bit of a bargain. So that's that. I will link down all the information down below. I am aware that they've stopped their refer a friend scheme. Well, not completely, just the one that they had in the past. I had a code that would mean that if for your first £30 spend or more on their website, you could have £10 off your order. And in return, I would have £10 off any £30 spend that I would use as well, or I would buy. But that is gone. I think now it's, you get 20% off. I just had a quick look earlier on. I will find out and I will link it down below. So if you are interested, just click on the show more and that'll bring up all the information down there. It'll all be stored there. So as I said, this isn't a subscription, but it is a monthly thing. It is a sample service, so you're only allowed to do it once a month. So say for instance you ordered your 5 samples on the 1st of June, you will not be allowed to do it again until the 1st of July. You can choose up to 5 samples, so but obviously you're going to choose 5 because that's just better value for money, isn't it? But yeah, it can be a bit repetitive. It might not be something you might want to do every month, but it's definitely a service worth knowing about and taking a look. Now, Feel Unique are renowned for their website crashing. Don't know why. I don't know why, but so many people have reported it. Well, not so much crashing, but not being able to access the samples. So the trick I have sort of worked out is if you add your samples to your basket, then pretend to buy something else completely random, go to your actual basket, and then you will see your samples then and that random product, and when you go to checkout, just delete the random product and your samples will be fine. A lot of people, including myself, have noticed once they put their samples into basket, they go to checkout, there's no samples there, which is a pain. But if you add in a random product and then delete it at the last minute, all will be okay. So I don't understand why that happens, but it's a bit of a pain, but there's a hack anyway. There's a trick anyway, so if it's happening to you, try that, it might work. So the items I got this month, I'll show you. So I've chosen 5, as I always choose 5. I'm not going to choose 3 or 2 anything. So these are my 5. I'll just put them here and I'll show you one by one what they are. First item is a Matisse Beauty Expert, and it's a fundamental beautifying cream. Now I don't know why I ordered that. It's 5 mils. I don't know why I ordered that. I can't remember. Now Feel Unique, I'm not selling this, am I, this month? Feel Unique has done this to me before. They've added something in my order that I haven't ordered. I can't remember ordering this, but yeah, I have had this box now for about a week, which I forgot to upload until now. So yeah, I can't remember, but there you go. It's a beautifying cream, so it'll make me beautiful. So it doesn't say much on it. No, not much information on it, so to find out I'm going to have to go online and see. Whether I chose it or not is another thing, but who knows. So the next thing is a Skin Doctors. Now this is vitamins and minerals, so this is cosmeticals and it's potent vitamin C and vitamin A, collagen boosting day and night ampules. So inside there's 1 potent vitamin C and 1 potent vitamin A. So that's what that looks like there. I know it's not going to do miracles. I know, but I'm really into my vitamins and minerals. Not that I'm into them, I have to take them. That just sounds so stupid. I'm really into my vitamins. I have to take them for my health. And yeah, vitamin C and vitamin A are your skin, basically. It is, you know, good for your skin. So that's what they look like. They're tiny. So yeah, so I'm going to have to read up more about it, but it says instantly boosts collagen production, fights the appearance of wrinkles, brightens, illuminates and awakens skin, assists elastin production. There's a little leaflet inside, so that'll tell me more information. Something at the bigger sizes then I probably wouldn't have gone for, so by having this, it is going to make me read a little bit more about it and to see whether it's something that I think my skin would benefit from. So yeah, so that's why I got that. So the next ingredient? Why am I saying ingredient? Have I read that somewhere? No. I'm not into cooking either, so I'm not sure why I said that. Never mind. It's Nuxe and it's a precious scented shower oil. Oh yeah, with golden shimmer. I do remember ordering this. Cleanses, leaves a satin finish. So it's a shower gel with a shimmer. So I have a few little items that have got shimmer inside them, and I love wearing stuff like that in the summer, especially on holiday or if I'm going out in the evening, you know, just putting a bit of shimmer on your body, you just feel like a golden goddess. Well, if I've had a few to drink, I do anyway. But no, I shouldn't say that. You don't need alcohol to feel amazing. No, wrong, Claire. Right, okay. So back to this. It's just a shower gel, but I really wanted to try it. It's got amazing reviews on Feel Unique. So yeah, I just thought I'll give that a go and see how it does. I'm going to wear it in Greece. I'm going to wait until we have like a really nice night out or something planned and try it then, see if it works. So the next item is Lab Series, and this is an all-in-one face cleansing gel, and I ordered this one as well as a potential Greece product to pop in my bag. They probably have some in the hotel we're staying in, but I just thought, oh, why not try some new things? And then the last item is, I really can't remember choosing this at all. It's a Boostlean Curls Redefined Intensive Moisture Treatment. It's for your hair. A deeply nourishing conditioning treatment restores moisture, strength and shine, revitalizing dry and damaged hair whilst improving curl definition and elasticity. My hair is straight. It's got no curls. Yeah, it's a 50ml. Big pouch there. Ooh, but I can't remember ordering it. I honestly can't remember ordering it. It might be nice though. So that was my box. Excuse the bit of an unusual unboxing. I'm a bit all over the place. I'm fine. I think it's the hot weather getting to me and affecting my memory clearly, as I can't remember picking two of the items. But those are the items that I got anyway, and some of them are really nice, some of them I can't wait to use. I am going to have a go at that hair mask because it is for, you know, nourishing hair and bring back elasticity into the hair, etc. So it will benefit. But yeah, I think the exciting thing for me is this shimmer shower gel. I can't wait to try that and see what it looks like. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.